Here's how to create the perfect background music for your YouTube videos with AI. As creators, we're often working with really small budgets, meaning we can't always get copyright-free, high-quality music that matches our videos. But let me show you the exact workflow we use at 11 Labs to add music to our YouTube videos. So the very first step before we even generate and create music is doing a first rough edit. Here, you just want to make sure that you remove everything that you don't want in your video so you have a rough idea of the type of music you need and for what section. Because most of the time, for one YouTube video, you want multiple different songs, maybe one for the intro, the body, the outro. And if you've got different chapters, you'll often jump between different genres of music. And so here I've got the intro of my video, and if I play it back, adding sound effects to your videos, whether it's YouTube content or AI films, really helps immerse the viewer into the viewing experience. And so I've got this intro to my video, but it feels quite empty, and I want to emphasize the importance of it and make it a little bit more dynamic. And so here, I want to add some intriguing yet fast-paced music. And now to create the music, we simply head to 11 Music, which is 11 Labs AI music generator. And if you haven't already created an account, you can click the first link in the description and get started for free. And so here, it's as simple as describing the song that you want for your YouTube video. And you can be quite broad, or you can get very specific. And so for example, I wanted some dynamic intro music for a tech tutorial. And so the prompt that I came up with was dynamic tech intro arpeggiator background music. And here we have a few different things going on. First of all, I mentioned that it's dynamic. So more than likely 11 Music is going to see that as being fast paced. I mentioned the use case it's for, so tech intro. I had this clear idea and vision of there being an arpeggiator in the background. So I added that. And then I gave even more context to 11 Music saying that it was background music. Now my intro is never longer than 30 seconds to a minute long. So here for the duration, I just went to choose 30 seconds. Now, you can have multiple variations at the same time, but I like to just generate one, see how it goes, and iterate from there. So I just select one. And then finally, I just make sure to check the instrumental button because I want this to be instrumental background music for my YouTube intro. And from here, I can simply click generate, and then 11 Music is going to create the background music for my YouTube video based off the prompt I gave it. And here, I gave it a prompt of 6 words, but the important thing when writing an AI music prompt is knowing what you're looking for. So for example, if you have a fast-paced tutorial section within your video or a fast-paced story, you could type something like bebop jazz. Or if you're creating a thriller storytelling video, you might want to type out ominous music. And I found that it really helps if you describe the music you're looking for based on the emotion that you're looking to convey within your video during that section. And the examples I've given in this video are quite short, but I do want to mention that you can get really specific with the prompt when creating music. You can give the exact BPM, the exact instruments that you want, and also provide as much context as to what the music is for. And so here, if we take a look at this prompt, you can see that we're providing a bunch of context to the AI to generate the music. We're giving